Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this Filmora tutorial we are going to create this. So without any further delay, let's start today's tutorial. First, drop your logo or image on track 1. I'm going to use 3 images. You can use as many as images you want to use, or you can use your logo. I'm keeping the first image 1 second long, then drop second image and keep it 1 second long. Then drop third image and keep it till 5 seconds. Then go to the effects, select Boris FX and then go to the plus light, and here you will find this BCC plus rays effect. Drop it on track 2. Now you can see we got some rays on our image. Now go to the effect settings, expand rays. Here increase the length to 92.5. Place the playhead at the starting point, then change the Y value to 0.45 and on keyframe for the position. Then increase the brightness to 320. If you want to change the color of rays, then use color option. Expand opacity and you will see 2 options. First is to control ray opacity. Increase it to 100. Second is source, means our image or logo. Decrease it to 0. Then go up and change X value to 2.50. Now go about 20 frames forward. Add the position keyframe and change X to -3. Go 6 frames forward, add position keyframe, then go about 20 frames forward, add position keyframe and change X value to 3. Again go about 6 frames forward, add position keyframe, then go about 18 frames forward, add position keyframes and change X value to -3. Then go 20 frames forward, add position keyframe and X value to 0.50. Now on the same point, on opacity keyframes for rays and source. Go about 15 frames forward, change rays opacity to 0 and source opacity to 100. Go 10 frames forward, change rays opacity to 100 and source to 0. Then finally go 8 frames forward and change rays opacity to 0. Now let's see the final preview. That's it. This is how you can add these rays effect to your logo or to your image. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and enjoy new Filmora 12 beta.